Hello, viewers, and welcome to 7th edition of Thought Leadership Summit, an initiative by HOSMIC. Medgate today is the media partner, and we are proud to be. So, right now we have a very wonderful person and leader who has just delivered an informative session on strategizing hospitals beyond metro, Ms. Richa Singh Devgupta. So we will be talking about what key takeaways she just discussed over there so that you people will get to know and bring your hospital more into it. Hello ma'am, and thank you for joining in this summit. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Richa. I'm Chief of Strategy for Fortis Healthcare.
Ma'am, you just talk about very, you can say, dynamic topic and the topic which has a lot of debates as well. Strategizing hospitals beyond metros. So what are the, you can say, 5 takeaways which you just deliver over there so that the audience will get to know about it more?
So if I sum it up in a simple sentence, so far patients have been walking up to the hospital. They have been traveling miles and miles to reach to the hospital in metro cities. But now today, as we stand, I think it's the hospital or healthcare which has to walk up to people's door, and that's the transition we see. Going forward, the hospitals do have to move to the non-metro cities because that's where the future lies.
Yeah. Do you see that medical value travel, which is very much dynamic into the metro cities, the non-metro cities, the tier 2 and tier 3 can also be the robust system for the medical value travel?
See, I'll tell you, it's a little hard to say because end of the day, medical value travel depends on the connectivity. Okay, if you have large international airport where the flights are coming in from different countries, where primarily we are getting our patients from, the patients would prefer to be there. Within the country, again, if they have to be transported to certain places, it becomes a little bit of a difficult thing. So, as you see, the Delhi NCR has actually become the hub for medical value travel for the reason that it has very good connectivity from all the countries where patients are walking into the country, India today, for their healthcare needs.
Yeah. When I was listening to your session, you just spoke something which was an incident over there that Fortis Hospital was setting up one thing in the tier 2 city. So one of your persons said that we will not compromise anything beyond or below the, you can say, equipment qualification. So what you want to say to the hospitals?
See, I'll tell you, in non-metro, setting up a hospital and building that confidence is going to be even more difficult because so far people have been used to going to larger setup in the metro city. And if you want to reach to their home, what they would expect is the quality. And if you're talking about quality, you cannot compromise on medical technology and the quality of clinicians that you're going to have and the training that your staff has to deliver that service.
Yes, very well said, ma'am. And as being the Chief Strategy Officer of healthcare, I will not quote any particular hospital, but the person like her who just creates such kind of strategy for India will definitely lead our India to be the best in healthcare. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your insights.
Thanks so much.